Welcome to my project design.com. Now let's see about human identification using finger images. Now let's see about the abstract. Here we provide the novel method to recognize the person by the use of finger vein and finger texture images. The steps for acquired finger vein image normalization, image alignment and segmentation to effectively minimize the resulting intra-class variation in the finger images are also developed. It is a combining finger vein and finger texture matching scores. We comparatively evaluate the proposed fusion approach with the sum average product weighted sum. Here we segment the finger vein and the finger texture from the image. We extract the RY region. After we extract the vein pattern by maximum curvature from the segmented result, we extract the features for the both texture and the vein image. We extract the Gabber feature for the input images. Gabber filters are similar to those of human visual system, and they have been found to be particularly appropriate for safe representation and discrimination. It is a linear filter used for edge detection. Finally, weighted matching is calculated for the identification. This is the flow of the process. Here we are testing two biometrics, that is finger vein and the finger texture images. So initially we are given finger vein image. It will pass to the region extraction. In this region extraction, here we are extracting the vein from the input image, so that for extracting the vein, here we are using adaptive threshold segmentation. It will segment the image based on the threshold value. First we have to select a grade level threshold between those two dominant levels, which will be served the threshold to distinguish the two classes. So after selecting the threshold, based on this the region is extracted. After extraction, it will go to the image enhancement process. Here we segment the vein by the use of maximum curvature. Maximum curvature method locates the position that passes the maximum curvature from the image profile, and profiles are acquired in different direction. While all points are extracted, they are connected and combined according to the rules. After image enhancement, we will go to the feature extraction. Here we extract the feature by the use of Gabber filter. Gabber is a shape representation of the convoluted images. Based on this, we are extracting the features. These features will go to the further process. In texture main, we are initially extracting the region based on the adaptive threshold segmentation. This extracted region pass to the image enhancement. Here the enhancement is done based on the localized random transform. So it will extract the texture pattern of the finger image. So for the texture pattern, here we are extracting the feature. For feature extraction, here we are using the Gabber filter. So the extracted feature will be the merged together as a feature vector. From the feature vector, we are identifying the person by the use of SVM classifier. So the SVM classifier will identify by the decision which persons are given as an input. Now let's see the demo for process. Here I am having finger main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. So this is our guide design. So initially we are loading the training feature. This is the training features of the finger vein. So this is the testing feature. Now I am selecting one image as input. This is the selected input image. For that image, it will be converted as a binary. So this is the binary image of the input image. So the edges are removed from the input image, only the region are extracted here. After that, we are going the ROI region. Here we are extracting the ROI region from the input image, other places are removed. This is the extracted ROI region, and then the extracted, this you will pass to the vein segmentation. This is the extracted finger vein. It is identified based on the maximum curvature. For this finger vein, we are extracting the gabber feature. These are the gabber feature to our finger vein. These are the feature values. Next we move on to the training feature for texture finger texture images. These are the feature values of the texture images. This is the input image of texture. The ROI region are selected. This is the enhanced images of texture images. It will be identified based on the label transform. Then this will go to the gabber feature. These are the extracted gabber feature of the texture images. These are the values. Now let's see the recognition. Here we are identified a person by the use of SPM classifier. It identified a person as a 1. Now I am showing the result of human finger identification using finger vein and finger pattern. Here we are using the two biometrics such as vein pattern and the texture pattern. It will provide the more security than the existing system. Thank you.